Alright guys, got some two different sets I want to show y'all tonight. It's actually a Uncle Henry set and an old timer set. Pretty much the same kind of styles of knives, but I think that they're definitely very sweet set of knives. Like a little Stockman, and that one's actually a Rancher, a Gambler, and a Muskrat gut hook. Which of course that's the Muskrat. That's the Gambler, and that's the Rancher. Sweet little knife setup. I love that stag handle on them. Also got the Dogleg Jack, Mighty Mite, and the Slim Premium Stockman. I love that yellow bone looking. Very nice, very nice. Me like. But that's them right there, boys. I think it's all basically just 440 or 420 stainless steel. All made by the same company, Taylor brand. So they're pretty much the same knife, just different badges and different blade styles, boys. Y'all have a great